Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check login history on Band. Login history on Band refers to when and where someone has logged into your Band account. To view your login history on Band, first open your Band application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Band account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now tap on your profile on top right. Then tap on Settings option. With this, now here you can see your settings. Now scroll down. Then tap on Account/Privacy Settings. Now here you can see Access History option on down. Tap on Access History. Then here you can see Access History within this device. Now you can tap on Login option on the side, and here you can see all the login history. Here you'll be able to see your login date, the IP address of the device, the country in which it was logged in, and the device in which your Band account was logged in. This is how we can check login history on Band. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure that you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.